Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. We're out here in Fulton, Maryland today. Maple Grove, Maple Lane, Maple Farm. We're out here in Fulton, Maryland. That I can guarantee you. And we're getting ready to commence installation of a landscape lighting system. Come along with us. Guys, we're out here getting everything laid out now. We're going to start getting the plow out, get all the pipe in the ground, the wire. We got to put a sleeve in here, so we're going to shoot this up here, get that in. Guys, we're getting started here. Some of this handwork around the utilities. Grabner, how are you? Benito.
Hello,
How are you, bud?
good.
Good? Beautiful day?
Nice.
Huh? No snow?
Nice work.
No snow at all this winter. Roberta, how many fixtures you got there? 3?
1 on each tree?
7 watts LED?
Yes.
7 watts?
I think so. And then homeowner has 4 on here because the previous contractor, they just put that thing on top of it.
Yeah, we'll get rid of that. We'll get rid of that, sir. What's that called? A rumble strip? That's not the way you install a lighting system, is it?
No.
How's your morning going?
Good.
What do you put on your face? Sunscreen or what? What do you think? It's going to go to 85 today?
No, it's itching.
Cream?
Gonna want,
Itching?
yeah.
Dry?
Yeah. And she's gonna want maybe some path lighting here to replace those lights on those trees, but she's gonna build a flower bed.
Okay.
Maybe another light on that one.
How far is she over here? All the way down the hill?
She owns all the way to the tree line. Yeah.
Okay.
Like 5 feet past the tree line.
Okay. We doing anything over here?
Hmm?
Doing anything over here at this go around?
Yeah. And then she's building one pool there, a smaller pool behind.
Okay, I was going to suggest, I know you had lights going over here, but you want lights here, so that way you bring that light across, you know, both sides of the house.
Right now, put the light there and the light is with the 2 more lights.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, and then we can either bore under there or tap into the outlet right by the gutter.
For this side, I would bore underneath of there, and if it's going's okay, go with a second. If not, add a transformer. You know what I mean? And be done with it. How many transformers you got now anyway?
1. Just
Yeah.
for this system. For this one, we're using the existing one.
Is that enough juice?
It's 600.
600. Okay. Well, but they got LEDs, the previous contractor, or they got LEDs?
She's mixed. So
I mean, halogen versus LEDs. That's what I meant.
one contractor did these, another contractor did those. But those are falling apart. They're
Put the
plastic.
lights everything and they put the rail.
And what well she using? This one or both?
I don't know.
Got a well there, well here. That one's probably pretty shallow there. The steel casing. You probably went way down and didn't get a whole lot. That plastic is probably that's probably a new well there. How far are we going around here?
With the power?
No, with the lights.
The outlet is right there.
No, I'm talking about anything else we're illuminating back here right now.
Possibly the evergreens.
Uh-huh.
This, I don't know what that is.
Uh-huh. That's a berry, yep.
Possibly some path lining on the.
That's already starting to
Around
bud out already. You see it?
Mhm.
See that starting to bud out already? Spring's coming, baby. Come on. Come on. Spring's coming. Yeah, baby. You want to do the spring dance with me?
One more square.
You do anything with these lights here?
She's sticking with those.
Okay. But
think-
we should take out 2 of them. We should redesign this so you got 5 and 3, but redo it. I mean, redid it. It needs to be redone, but it needs to be relaid out, you know? Talk to her about that sometimes. Just repurpose the same lights, just do a different layout. Instead of making it look like a runway, whoever did that, you know? 3 and 2 actually. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, look a lot better.
Yeah.
Tell her that sometimes. Say, hey,
I'm trying to get her to just replace the whole thing.
I know, but tell her sometime if she likes us to, we'll reconfigure this for her. 3 on one side, 2 on another, look a lot better.
Okay.
Tell her we'll do that to her at no charge just so she can look at it one night.
Okay.
That's what I would do.
Some uplining here.
Yep.
Full FL200.
Okay.
2 or 3.
Yep.
And and then same here, 1 and 2. That's it.
Okay.
And she wants irrigation.
Yeah. That's what we need to find out about that well, what we got going on.
Oh, okay. So how do they decide? Do they do 4 heads per zone or 3 heads per zone?
3 heads.
And that's gonna be a ton of. Do we need a booster pump?
Well, we'll have to take a look what we got coming out of the well first, or the wells. You might tie both of them together or use one, okay? That she might be using that one for the house. She might say we can use this one. But a lot of these wells out here, not a lot of them, some of them, I've seen over the years are compromised. You're not getting a whole lot of water out. So let's find out what we got first.
So
Take a picture of the tag number. How long?
194 PGP.
Okay. Before we do anything, we got to find out the water source. Okay.
48 zones, 4 heads per zone.
Well, take a picture of that tag number. Let's call it in and let's find out. Take a picture of that. Take a picture of that top. Let's see who drilled this well.
Joseph, Maine.
Okay. Mount Airy. We can call, see if they're still in business. Some guys have gone out of business, retired, you know.
And the front only, all the way to the, like straight with the house and the first tree, all the way to the tree line.
Okay.
Irrigation here, irrigation on the flower beds.
Okay.
Nothing in the back because she's building a pool. This side, she owns about 20, she said like 22 feet from the driveway.
Okay.
Huge property.
Yeah, it's beautiful out here. But let's find out though what we got on the water. We need to take a picture of that well too. Okay, so you got a full afternoon.
Not really, I mean.
Not really. Well, not if you're going 170 mile an hour. You got a new truck, I guess you can go fast, huh? What?
She
What?
was
What?
talking about her fountain's not working.
Uh-huh.
Can we help with that?
Sure. Get some pictures of that too, Graydon, so see what's going on with the pumps. I see the wires inside of there now where it's coming up inside of there. I can see the glue all over in the wires, conduit, pump's probably up on top, the base in there, up on top. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.